So now let's see how we can work around with the maximum and minimum effect inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with maximum and minimum effect, you need to go around onto the filter menu right here and then go around over here onto others right here. On the other section, you can see that maximum is an option. So once you go around onto maximum, then it takes the rightmost pixels right here and turns it into squares right here as you change around the radius. Apart from that, you can also change it out into circles right here so that you get circular blobs of colors right here, just like this, which is glowing right there. So this is what you have, maximum. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, and if I were to go around over here onto filter and then onto, let's say for example, others right here, then you got minimum as an option as well. So here you can see that you can work around with the radius right here. You can increase and decrease out the radius as you want, and then you can work around with the shape as well, just like this. And this is what you have. You can change around the circle right here. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with maximum and minimum effect inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.